Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Chosen Bank and welcome back to the channel, Blue the Pitbull. Do me a favor before you even start watching the video, like and subscribe and maybe drop a comment and join the family, because I want this channel to be the biggest channel on YouTube. That is my goal, to be the biggest black owned channel on YouTube. And right now we slowly climbing up, and I haven't really been consistent lately because personal problems. So I'm gonna try my hardest to post more. Some of you guys comment in my comment section under my videos. Commenting back, I think you guys might not understand what I mean sometimes. So I want to make a video thoroughly explaining what I mean, break it down for you guys the best way I can, and hopefully you guys can understand. So the second question that I have received in my comment section was, what is the best meat for your dog? Most people don't know this, but dogs can't eat every meat, and it's not healthy that you throw any meat to the dog and you expect the dog will eat it. If the dog is hungry, yes, the dog will eat it. Anyone will. But you gotta understand that a certain type of food that humans can eat and certain type of food that humans can't eat. You get what I'm saying? So it's just like a dog. I'm not saying that your dog shouldn't eat raw meat. I'm just saying that you gotta be careful of what type of raw meat that you feed your dog, because it can do more damage than good. To make the video very short and not trying to just be blabbing, because I will just be talking a lot, I'm gonna basically break it down to you guys. There's two type of meats that I would feed my dog, and that is beef and that is chicken. Under these categories, under those two categories, there's many type of meats, and there's many type of meats to stay away from. There's many type of meats to actually get your dog to eat. Pork is something that I would stay away from. Most people would advise it, but me personally, knowing that it's bad for humans, I would not feed it to my dog. I really can't go too much into it because I really don't know the information behind it, and I'm not going to feed you information that I'm not very sure about. But the type of meats that you can feed your dog is, I made a list. When it comes to beef, you want to feed your dog ground beef, beef kidney, beef heart, beef liver, beef bones. So I have tried ground beef, beef kidney, beef heart, beef liver, and my dog really destroyed it. Like, I'm talking about a clean bowl. If you watch my first video ever on YouTube, you will see my dog actually eating beef kidney and beef liver. I think she was around 2 to 4 months around that time period. And you would see that my dog really cleaned the plate and her stomach was full and she still wanted some more. I believe that your dog will like it too. Alright, so when it comes to chicken, you can feed your dog chicken kidney, chicken heart, chicken feet, especially chicken feet. Chicken feet have bones. Depending on the age of your dog, you would not want to feed a puppy chicken feet because of the bones, and his jaw bones and teeth might not be strong enough to basically break it down. I would keep chicken feet away from the dog until it shows you that it is ready for chicken feet. When the dog is ready for chicken feet, I would advise you to feed the dog chicken feet. They really like it. They really like it. Chicken kidney and chicken heart is very good because they provide a lot of vitamins and a lot of minerals that is also good for the heart. Good for the heart, good for the organs, and also good for the skin coat. I know that some of you guys want your dog to have better skin coat. Maybe the skin coat might be dry and patchy. It might be because your dog died in lack of water. But besides the water, it might be because your dog died. You're not feeding your dog the right food that's good for a dog. The raw meat diet is expensive. I'm not gonna lie. It's expensive. It's gonna rack you up some money. But having a dog is expensive. Having a dog is like having a kid. It comes with cost. You know what I'm saying? It's like you gotta buy this, you gotta buy this, you gotta buy this. So don't buy a dog if you're not ready for a dog. So the raw meat diet is expensive. Anything healthy is expensive nowadays. Now you got to think about it. Would you want to eat McDonald's all day, or would you want to eat a box of fruit or chicken feet and beef and steak? Would you want to eat those? Yeah, they are expensive, but they are good for you, and there's a reason why people put these healthy things at a high rate, because they want to make money and they know that it has good quality. And yes, you can buy 5 McChickens for $5, but it doesn't have quality, and quality will always beat quantity at the end of the day, because health is very important. If you want to live a long healthy life, you have to eat good. If you want your dog to live a long healthy life, you have to feed your dog good. So if you can, put some money to the side and actually do participate in the raw meat diet. You don't have to participate every single day. It could be you feed your dog raw meat 3 times a week. I feed my dog raw meat every day. That's just my personal opinion. If you can't feed your dog every day raw meat, feed it sometimes. Give it a quarter leg or something like that, because it is very important, and your dog health will thank you. Your dog will thank you. The energy of the dog will boost up because you're giving them vitamins that dog food does not give. If you do a research about dog food, you will find a lot of bad things about dog food. You'll realize that it's not as healthy. There is dog food that is good. It might be the best, but it's good for your dog. Nowadays, there's dog food that's made by real raw meat. You can really look into that. Freeze-dried dog food. It holds the nutrition, it holds the vitamins, it holds the everything in for the dog, but that's very expensive too. Like I say, anything that's good quality is very expensive. It's really on you. So if you have a dog, you have to really know, am I ready for a dog? Would I care for this dog as I would for a family member? Yes, dogs are a good companion, but there are also dependents. The dog won't get up and go work. You will be taking care of that dog for the rest of its life. It will always be a dependent, and it's always gonna need you. But at the end of the day, it's very good because dog is a good friend, especially when you're stressing, especially for the ones that don't have no one in their family. But take care of your dog, and your dog will take care of you, and that starts with good diet. So I just gave you the raw meats that's healthy for the dog, and now it's on you to make the best decision for you and your dog. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video with that.